Okay, it's been a little while, but we are back. Thisdadsamambear is doing one of my refinishing projects. And I started with 20 church pews that I now have down to a 4-inch board like you see here. Some 5-inch boards here, and 3-inch board and some other board that I have for trim. And I was trying to use a belt sander and everything, and it just proved to be too slow. So I got this new disc for my Harbor Freight Chicago electric grinder, and it is very fast and fun. So there you have it. This is one of the things I do to keep myself busy while fighting for the return of my 3 children kidnapped by their mother, my ex-wife, and this system that disadvantages one parent over the other in parental alienation. And this is one of my maintain your sanity projects. Again, this comes from 20 church pews cut down now to door trim and some other trim I'm going to use around the house. Thanks.